Sony Mobile is required to discharge a successor, the Xperia XZ1, not long from now, following a current trend, a release that demonstrates Xperia handset with inconceivably thin bezels. Presently, some official-looking pictures have showed up on Reddit that uncover the telephone's particulars. The telephone is alluded to by its official model number of H8216, as the name hasn't yet been affirmed. We'll utilize Xperia XZ2 to make it simpler. The specs demonstrate the Xperia XZ2 will include the Qualcomm Snapdragon 845 processor, the exceptionally same one that is relied upon to control the larger part of 2018's lead telephones. The Xperia XZ2 will likewise get a 5.8-inch 1920 by 1080 Full HD show, 4 GB of RAM and 64 GB of expandable stockpiling. It ought to likewise be the primary Sony cell phone to highlight a double focal point raised camera, with two 12-megapixel focal points, while a 16-megapixel camera will decorate the front. Battery limit is appeared to be 3130 mAh, and it will bolster Qualcomm's quick charge innovation, likely quick charge 4.0, which cases to revive 50 for every penny in 15 minutes. The Xperia XZ2 will likewise come running Android Oreo 8.1 out the container. On paper at any rate, the Xperia XZ2 looks set to offer a gigantic redesign over the current XZ1, with practically all regions being made strides. There's right now no word with respect to a dispatch date, so it might in any case be some time before we can get our hands on one to discover precisely how well it will perform. With specs and renders showing up, however, it could be protected to propose. We'll hear more at Mobile World Congress in February, yet that is absolutely theory for the present.